Building a 164.78 square feet tiny house on wheels is a perfect way to downsize while maintaining comfort and style. Let's break it down step by step. The first step is about planning and design. First, start with a well thought out plan. Determine your essential needs, how many sleeping areas, kitchen size, bathroom setup, and storage solution. Use design tools to create a precise layout. Choose a sturdy dual axle trailer around 18 until 20 feet long to support your home. And the second step is about foundation and framing. Your tiny home's foundation is the trailer itself, so ensure it's rated for 5,000 until 10,000 libras. Build the floor using pressure-treated plywood and add insulation between joists. For walls, opt for lightweight steel or wood framing and design a slanted or curved roof to efficient water runoff. And the third step is about insulation and the exterior. Proper insulation is key for year-round comfort. Choose from spray foam for a tight seal or rigid foam board for lightweight efficiency. For the exterior, consider Kedar or composite panel for durability and metal roofing for longevity. And the fourth step is about interior layout and space optimization. Every inch of tiny home counts. Maximize space with a loft bed, foldable furniture, and multi-purpose kitchen appliance. Install a wet bath to save room and keep ceiling height around 10 until 13 feet for storage and loft space. And the fifth step is about plumbing and electrical. For off-grid living, install a 20 until 40 gallon freshwater tank and an RV-style water heater. Power your home with solar panels and batteries, or connect to a 30 amp shore power plug. And don't forget proper ventilation with roof fans or a mini split air conditioner. Sixth step is about finishing touches. Now it's time to make it feel like home. Use lightweight plywood or ship slab for a cozy aesthetic. Built-in storage like stairs with drawers and underbed compartments. Keep clutter at bay. Stick to light color to enhance the sense of the space. Seventh step is about the legal consideration. Before hitting the road, ensure your tiny house meets legal requirements. Register your trailer like an RV. Stay within weight limits for towing ease, and research local zoning laws to find a parking-friendly spot. Wondering about the cost? A DIY build range from $15,000 until $40,000, while pre-built sales cost between $25,000 and $60,000. A fully customized tiny home that can go beyond $100,000.